Hey guys, Ryan Ritchie here with Healthway. Today I want to show you our new Healthway Indoor Air Quality Particle Meter, which is going to measure the invisible particulates in the air. It's very similar to a TDS meter for water that would measure total dissolved solids. So the power button is the far big button on the left. It takes a few seconds to boot up. This is going to measure 5 different particle channels, and it's what I mean by a channel is a different size. So here we're going to measure PM10, PM2.5, PM1, PM0.5, and PM0.3, as well as TSP, which means total suspended particles, or all of those combined together. Now on the larger particles like PM10 or on the total suspended particles, it is going to measure by weight. What we are really focusing on is the ultrafine particle, the 0.3 micron, which is going to measure by count. Now to change it to make the particle channel read on this big screen, you simply just push the arrows down. I've now got to my 0.3 micron. This version is measuring particles per cubic liter. Your version will probably be reading particles per cubic foot of air. So now that I'm on my setting, I'm going to hit the play button. It's going to do its count. It's pumping the air in using the laser particle meter. And we can tell in this environment it's actually really high. The alarm starts to go off at about 2,000 to 3,000 particles per cubic liter. So again, we're measuring now the 0.3 micron. I can change the different sizes by going to this up arrow. And as you can tell on weight, it is not giving you a very accurate number, where on the count, on the 0.3, it gives an exact version or exact count of that particle. Now, if I'm going to test one of the machines, whether it's our new Healthway Pro or our Healthway Deluxe, I simply put the probe over the outlet or outflow of the air purifier. On the Pro, it is in the back. On the Deluxe, it is on the top. And from here, we're measuring down to 2,000. We're already down to 100, down to 0. So then I can pause the button, the same play button, and that now shows you that it was at 0. I can hit play again, and it will start a fresh new count. I'm going to pause it so the alarm does not continue to go off. But that's how simple it is to operate this machine. Again, 5 channels, 5 different particle sizes, 0.3 micron being the one that we're most concerned about. And that again is going to measure particles per count. So that's 8,708 particles for every liter of air. And keep in mind, we breathe in 22,000 liters of air per day. So something to really consider here, simple functions. You can change the different size readings to your liking. Again, most of the time, the most efficient and effective that we're trying to prove is on the ultrafine particles. Keep in tune for more videos. Thanks for tuning in.